Okay, this video shows that how you can make an air compressor by using an air conditioning compressor from a car. This air conditioning compressor is out of an old Mopar, probably 70s, something like that. Old 1 horsepower motor. I don't remember what I got it off of. I built the thing like 3 years ago. Goes down into a tank that I had from another old air compressor. Got your pressure valve and your regulators and so on and so forth. The solenoid burned out a while ago, so I just bypassed it. So let me turn it on for you. And there it goes. Comes up to about 120. In about, I don't know, 3 minutes. I'll have to flip the video over in the editor, or not. Maybe you guys like it upside down. Anyway, use the Ford air screw style compressor. This is the one that comes up to over 1,000 pounds in almost a minute. So, let's see. It seems already at about 40 pounds. We'll see. I don't know. I don't want to run it too long because I'm not going to use it really. Let's see how much pressure's in here yet. So, that's how I did it. Thing's been running for 3 years, no problems. There it is.